Your visit at Udzungwa Mountains National Park will offer you an unforgettable experience of exhibited natural and cultural value, historical significance, natural-built beauty, offering leisure, adventure and amusement. The only world biodiversity hotspot in southern Tanzania, with endemic reptiles, amphibians and many other species. Sanje Waterfalls, one of the highest waterfall in the National Park system of Tanzania. Natural trails for hiking. Thick tropical rainforest. More than 400 bird species. Sanje crested mangabe and a ringer road colobus monkeys only available in Udzungwa Mountains National Park and not anywhere in the rest of the world. The park offers several mountain climbing routes to Mwanihana and Luhomero peaks. Enjoy the various available accommodation services and facilities in and around the park. Udzungwa Mountains National Park is easily accessible, uncrowded, filled with diverse of endemic wildlife and a taste of true African experience.
I'm very happy, very glad. It feels like it's not even real, that it's almost like a dream.
Enjoy a true African experience in southern Tanzania.